Friends, hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can easily create a group in WhatsApp. Please friends, subscribe to our channel, be sure to put likes under the video, write your comments, and let us get started with you. So, friends, first of course, open the WhatsApp app itself, and then go to the chat section at the bottom. Now friends, in order to create a group, you'll need to go to the top of the app and click on this green plus sign, and then select New Group. After that, friends, you will need to select the people you will put in this group. You can just scroll through and select people. Or you can enter a person's name, for example, by typing it into a search box like this. Once you have checked all the people you would like to add to your group, click Next. After which you will need to name your group somehow. You can also add absolutely any image if you wish. To do this, click on this photo sign right here. Next, you can take a photo or upload it from a gallery, or you can add some kind of emoji or sticker as an image. Next, click on Done. And as you can see, it's going to be this image of your group. And now click Create. This is how, friends, you can easily create a group in WhatsApp app. I really hope this video helped you and was helpful. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Write your comments after watching, put your likes, and see you soon.